Good morning, guys. Welcome to StocksMon, my day trading routine, my day trading strategy. This is a recap of my trading for the day. I mainly trade Tesla using a multi-timeframes setup on the ThinkorSwim platform, TOS trading platform. Before the opening bell, I will draw out some support and resistance lines from the 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily timeframes. The plan is to wait for the price to move toward a trend line, or if an indicator, e.g. Engulfing and morning and evening star, is forming. I will trade mainly on these. For orders, I usually place together with a stop limit using the OCO template in TOS. This way I can manually move the SL up and down if needed. My indicators, Engulfing and morning star. My time frame, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. One-day trading scalping strategy, momentum during opening, I like to play is when the price movement is near the top or bottom of a candlestick. E.g. if the price is moving toward the high or low on both the 1 hour and 4 hours timeframes. Another scalping strategy one like is when the price is crossing the VWAP line. I usually move my stop loss up if there's a profit. This way I can lock in some profits. These are the few price action setups with high probability I like to trade during the opening bell for the momentum price action movement. Overall, I am up $94 for the day. I didn't take much trades today because I totally missed out on the opening markets. I have to run some errands in the morning and was only able to trade a little after 12 p.m. I am up a little and probably going to end the day. I want to stay green for the week. Since Tesla was already down over 3%, I was looking for some reversal play to scalp. Please hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks.